Hey besties, today's video is all about white jeans, a piece many of us love in theory, but avoid in real life. So I thought, let's fix that. I found 34 outfit ideas to show you that white jeans can actually be easy, fun, and super stylish without looking boring. Now, I get it. A lot of people stay away from white jeans for a few reasons. They're hard to keep clean. They feel too bold. Or maybe you're just not sure how to style them. But white jeans are way more wearable than we think. They're like a fresh blank canvas for your outfits. You can dress them up, keep them casual, or go full minimalist. When choosing white jeans, go for a straight leg or relaxed fit. This shape is more flattering because it doesn't cling too tightly and gives a smoother look. It's easier to style with different shoes and works for most body types. A looser fit also feels more comfortable and looks timeless. Avoid super tight styles, which can show lines and wrinkles more easily. A straight fit keeps your outfit looking clean and effortless. Worried about stains? Here are a few quick tips. Keep a stain remover pen in your bag, just in case. Wash them inside out in cold water to keep them bright. Choose thicker denim to avoid see-through moments. And honestly, don't stress too much. Clothes are meant to be lived in. And if white jeans still feel like too much, try off-white, ivory, or ecru denim instead. These shades are softer, just as easy to style, and don't show stains as quickly. They give you that same clean, fresh look, but feel a little more low-key. If you want even more outfit ideas with white jeans, I've saved a bunch on my Pinterest board. The link's in the description box. It's full of looks I love and ideas you can recreate. Let me know in the comments. Do you wear white jeans, or are you still unsure? I used to avoid them too, but now they're one of my go-to pieces. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video for future outfit inspo. See you next time.